welcome back to my channel. Today is December 19th and it is currently 9:30 in the morning. Today I'm going to the Toronto Christmas market in the Distillery District, and I'm going at 11 because we're going to eat lunch at, I still don't know how to pronounce this restaurant. It's just L-O-V. I think it's from Montreal, the restaurant, and I have no idea how to pronounce it. I keep calling it like love just without an E, but it could be like Louvre or it could be something else. I have no idea. It's basically a plant-based restaurant. They look like they have good food, so I'm excited to try that. I'm about to go and do my makeup, so I guess I'll do a quick time lapse of that. But I just wet my beauty blender and I have my moisturizer, and I'm gonna get started on my makeup. If you want to see my everyday makeup routine, I do have a video up on my channel, which I'll leave linked in the cards up above somewhere. But I'm just gonna speed through this because I've already done it before and it's the exact same thing. So we're just gonna speed right through this right now.
Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down.
I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
Well, I look like a mess right now. Okay, so I just finished my makeup and you guys saw me do that right behind me. Can you guys see that? My room is just a literal mess. This room has not been cleaned since like I moved and like made this kind of like my office, which was about a year ago. So I haven't cleaned it for over a year. No matter how much time I have, I just never do it. But it is currently 10 o'clock on the dot. I have about an hour until I meet up with my friend Dilpri. I don't know if I ever said that, but I'm going with my friend Dilpri and we're going to the Toronto Christmas market today. I'm really hoping it's not busy because it is a Thursday. Like, kids aren't out of school yet. Like, I don't know who would be, and no one really goes there in the morning. People typically go there in the night because it's pretty with the lights and stuff. Oh my god, it's snowing. It's also one of the coldest days today. I think it's like -14 degrees Celsius. It's snowing right now. Like, it just started snowing, which sucks. I'm typically okay when it's cold. It's just once it starts getting windy is when I want to cry. So if it's cold, it's fine. If it's windy, that's a whole other story. I guess I'll just update you guys when I have something interesting to update you guys with. Actually, I'm just gonna show you my outfit of the day today. But my turtleneck, it's like this waffly material. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell. Is it even focusing? It's like this textured like waffle, kind of like those like long johns material. It's a turtleneck and it's from Aritzia. It's just black and then it's longer in the front and the back, and the sides are kind of more up, which actually gives you a little bit more of like a shape. My pants are from Banana Republic, I think, and they are white with blue vertical stripes, and then that's it. And I'm just gonna be in my full-on winter gear because it's so freaking cold. Hi guys, so if anyone wanted to know, this is what it looks like to live in Canada. Like, I have my hat, my scarf, my full-on winter jacket. I'm also gonna be wearing gloves because I don't like when my hands get cold and dry. But this is what it really looks like to live in Canada. It literally sucks. It's actually like so snowy outside that it's crazy. Like, I could barely see what it looks like outside. Kind of terrifying. I don't like to go out when it's toes typically, but we're doing it today. I haven't been out of my house in literally like over a week. So we're doing the damn thing. So I'm gonna head out in a little bit, but I'm just waiting for Dilpreet to tell me she's ready so that I can go over to her house. We literally live on the same street, so I'm just gonna walk over there, and then I'll catch you guys when I guess we're in the restaurant maybe? I don't know.
I never get what I really want. What is it you want?
Oh, here we're at like the actual like area. Oh, there's like the.
That's so cute.
Oh my God, there's a Ferris wheel. How fun! Have you ever been on my channel, Dilpreet? Say hi.
Oh, hi.
We made it to the Christmas market. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. I can't wait to get like dessert.
I know. I want a churro.
Yeah.
Oh God, I feel like I'm gonna fall. Oh my God, the tree.
So pretty.
I know. It's so tall. How did they decorate all the way up there?
Right? Doesn't the streamers look like garbage bags?
They do. Oh my God. They got kind of lazy.
I know.
I didn't know there was a Ferris wheel. There wasn't one last year.
Kind of.
What is this?
I know that's what I was thinking too.
What is that?
It looks like it's falling.
What is it? I'm confused. Do you want to go on the Ferris wheel? I feel like you have to pay for that, and I don't want to do that. That's why there's no one. There's literally there's like 2 people on it.
It's hot.
I know. I love food. Coffee roasters. Oh, poutine.
I was craving poutine the other day.
Do you want poutine?
I'd rather spend 20
I don't think I can eat poutine. I'm way too full.
I know, I'm so.
Where's like
Does that say s'mores?
they're like the cutest little like boutique shops.
I feel like those are always here though.
Yeah. But I feel like
Oh, that's the. What is that? Do they have food? I can't tell.
no, they have more like food, not like
Oh, I wanted dessert. Oh my God, there's a frickin' angel.
oh my god, I've seen that. I was like,
Oh my God, she's so cute. Waffle, s'mores.
those look so good.
Those look
don't they?
so good.
Let's look at everything.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait. What are the drinks?
They're like
Okay, I can't see.
stuff, but it's like really expensive.
Is it?
It was like
No,
$10 for 1 cup of hot chocolate. Like spiked hot chocolate, so I guess there's alcohol in it.
No, I know that there's like the mulled wine place that I got it last time was
Yeah.
back there, I think, where we came from.
Okay.
So we'll go there. Okay, what else do they have? Art class.
Scottish shortbread.
I like when places have samples. Candy canes.
That's so cute. It's like all candy.
No, tornado potato. Why is it so slippery? I'm gonna fall.
Have you had one of those tornadoes?
No, have you? I always wanted one.
Try one, yeah.
I should try one.
You should get one.
Oh my God, I'm gonna fall. I need to hold on to you.
Photos of Santa.
Oh yeah.
Because the
Okay.
elf is there. It's so cool.
Why do you have to pay for your photo?
I know, it's Santa.
What if I just want to take it on my phone?
Oh, that heart, the infamous heart that everyone takes.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? Are these churros? Oh, I think these are those chimney things.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
chimney
Are they?
cakes.
I'm so excited.
It smells so good.
I know.
Caramel. What's not vegan about caramel though? And
Milk,
oh yeah,
cream. Oh my God.
that was the best.
My nose is running.
We were doing something like this. And I was in Prague last week, so I shouldn't do that.
Where's the Nutella?
Right?
Hello. I like that there's no tax.
I know.
Oh wait, prices all include HST.
Oh,
That's
no
true.
wonder.
But that's smart.
It's still like a nice flat price.
Yeah, $10. That's not bad.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ooh, it looks so
Oh my
good.
God. Oh wait, they have this place at Square One.
I think they had it at Von Mills too.
Oh really? What is this called again?
chimney.
Chimney
Something-
sacks? Something,
yeah,
something
chimney.
chimney. And it's the cinnamon with Nutella.
Yeah. Oh, it's so soft.
Oh, I can smell the Nutella.
Yeah.
It smells so good. It's good. Butter or is it for candle? Because like put it back on. I thought it was for butter.
Why would you keep butter in a cactus?
Why not? Oh my god, there's salt shakers. So cute.
Why is it tilted? Oh, is
table?
that a diffuser, a vase?
Oh my god.
Do you need that in your life?
Yeah, I do. I don't know what.
Imagine if you're shaking salt with it though. It's kind of weird. I feel like I would drop it.